think this is the right one. Are these the right ones? Yeah. She's big. So you see how the back is of this one? I thought it was just one sheet, but it's okay. I can still do it. Alrighty, we have some pinks. Sucker is, she's pretty long. Pretty long. So I think it'll be okay if we cut. Okay. We are going for scissors. Hopefully they cut it okay. Of course, there had to be a stem in the way. Be careful, yeah. Okay. Let me put this back away. Come here, my pretty girl. Okay. This one fell out somewhere. Alright, we're going to roll you back up. Somehow get you in that box. Oh, it's maybe about to destroy you. I'm so glad I'm not doing this for the 7th. Okay, now I just need extra hands to get that box open. I'm giving you guys a workout. This is why the flowers get so squished. I'm closing her back up before you get to it. Oh, I got it back in. Alright. Okay, this is what I cut. Now, I need to fill this up more. Definitely need to fill it up more. Okay. Thank you very much. What do you guys think if I add more flowers in here? I think this will work perfect. It'll go on the side of the backdrop. Definitely need to steam it or something. Good morning, Vancouver. Good morning, Sharon. I am working on something for a customer. Like I said, it's not the same stand, but maybe I can put it up there just... Oh, I might have to put it up there to keep it out of moving. Make sure I put that the right way. Oh, okay. We got her on, but yeah. We need some more oomph up here. But I think, other than that, I think it's going to work beautifully. Okay. We are going to take off not too much. Definitely not too much. Somebody needs to cut her nails. They've become too long. And of course, this one is not so easy. Before I bought wire cutters, that is how I used to cut it. Let me get rid of this before the kitties. They're like having children. Ron and I were saying the other day, Boots and Moon are like having a couple of toddlers. Yeah, Minnie, it's talking about you. Something is stopping it. I think she works there. Fix you. Winnie likes the baby's breath, that's for sure. I'm glad this one doesn't have it. I still feel like this is just too... What? What happened? Winnie loves it, yes. Hey, Winnie, what do you think? Okay, so the back of this just looks like this. And I need to make sure there's nothing pointy, and there is. So push that back. Okay, I am going to glue wherever there was stems coming out. Just so that when I do this setup, it's not going to wreck my backdrop. Okay, you're going to have to get glue on you too, stem. My backdrop is cloth. So we don't want anything sharp. Okay, don't put your fingers in the glue. She's stuck. Hello, hello, sweet cakes. How are you? Mooney is saying hello. I am hoping this piece is not going to be too heavy for the backdrop. Be careful, Mooney. Okay, so this one I can use for the floor, or I'm going to grab the other one. No, I did not assemble these. I did not. They do have this on the bottom, which I have to figure out something to put these on a stand. Because we can't put that down And it does that. Thank you, thank you. So, I think the other one is taller. Yeah, let me grab up the other one. Right, this was the first one that I pulled out. This one is taller, I believe. I'm going to use a not floor lamp stand. Okay, this is not necessarily ruining this, because I can use it like this again in the future. Okay, I need something better to cut it. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, first let me see. Scissors, that will work. Okay, so I just make sure I went all the way up. Yep. Okay. Let's see how this is going to work. Let's see. Get her on. I will make it that you can't see that pole. It is a clever idea. Look at that. Perfect floor piece now. That is not going to fall over. I'm just going to be putting some more flowers on that piece. Yeah, that's going to be short, but that's okay. This one is going to go on the floor anyways. Lenny, are you helping? Okay. All right. I'm trying to tack my flower. Okay, this stem should be nice and long. I'm going to, that's how I'm going to get it. I took the glue off. Lenny, now the flower came off, no problem. No money. Okay. So if you ever want to take your heads off and they've been glued, take off that glue. Money, you're so nosy. Okay. Now, we can pop you on there. We will just stick you right over here. Okay. And I just see if that is enough pink. I'll make you go more. Over here. Okay, this one is for the floor. I think she should be perfect. I cannot wait to do this event.